The laws of Binance platform, the world's largest crypto exchange platform. So one of them is the fact that users can now convert and utilize the OTC portal, which now supports funding wallet. So if you've noticed on your Binance account that most of the transactions that were just supporting spot wallets or just funding wallet, they are now allow users to be able to interchange between their funding of spot wallets. So it says here starting from 2022 24, 24th of January 2022, users are able to trade on the convert OTC portal using funds in your funding wallet and switch between funding wallet, spot wallet, while staying on the convert and OTC portal. So this is just a graphical representation of what you should be seeing. So for risk warning, cryptocurrency trading is subject to high market risk. So you also want to make your trades cautiously, and you're advised to Binance is not responsible for your trading losses. So we do not offer financial advices. Thanks for your support. So yeah, I'll be dropping the link to this article as well as a link to other Binance announcements, so you get informed whenever there's an upgrade on the Binance system, so you stay up to date. You also want to click on the red subscribe button so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads, guys. So you can also follow Binance on the official Binance page and more social media and those Telegram and more, guys. So that's it, guys. It's your boy Keys. We do hope you find this helpful. You can also drop your feedbacks and more. Peace out, guys. If you don't have an account on Binance, we're dropping a $100 sign up bonus link available on the description box below. So you want to utilize it and in basically that. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Keys. Peace out and one love, guys.